Welcome to you and family. In this video I am showing you my home gardening of bottlegourd plant which has grown from downstairs and it is coming on the roof, and I have used wires to hold it on the roof. And you can see there are small bottlegourds and they look healthy, and I think they will grow to full size within a month. And here is another one, you can see it. It also looks healthy, but it is very small. There are other also which are hanging downstairs, and it is just growing. I planted it about 1 month back, 2-3 weeks, and it is growing very fast and it is healthy. It has just come upside about 1 to 2 days back. I'm just showing you. There are other, you can see, small bottle gourds, and you can see there's a one, and this is a very small. Okay, and I hope you can see it, and they will all grow to full size in about 3-4 weeks. And these are very good for health, bottle gourds, and they have lot of health benefits. And this is my backside of the home. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.